Hey everyone, this is Ted with the Holmes team at William Ravis Real Estate. Welcome to 400 Sawmill River Road in Millwood, New York, and also in the Chappaqua School District. This 3-bedroom Cape Cod style home is on a level and fenced property on a neighborhood street with a cul-de-sac and includes a community garden. Let's go take a closer look inside. What I love about this home is when you step inside the covered front porch, the sun-filled living room with wood-burning fireplace, open to the dining room, an updated kitchen with heated floors and direct access to a stone patio. The main floor also includes 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Upstairs, there's a family room area, an officer den, a primary bedroom, and another full bathroom. The full basement has ample storage with a workshop and is connected to the garage with space for 2 cars parked in tandem. Thank you for touring 400 Sawmill River Road with us today. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private showing, please give us a call.